Hello everyone. On this day of my English speaking practice, I want to discuss a topic that is relevant to all of us overcoming challenges and building resilience. Life is full of ups and downs, and our ability to navigate through difficulties with resilience and can make significant difference in our well-being and success. Acknowledging challenges. The first step in overcoming challenges is acknowledging them. It's okay to face difficulties. They are natural part of life. Instead of avoiding or denying them, recognizing challenges allow us to confront them head on. Positive mindset. Maintaining a positive mindset is crucial when facing challenges. Optimism does not mean ignoring the problem. Rather, it's about believing and your ability to overcome it. A positive attitude can provide the strength and motivation needed to tackle even the toughest situations. Adaptability. Being adaptable is a hallmark of resilience. Life is a constantly changing, and our ability to adopt new circumstances and challenges is a key factor in overcoming them. Embracing change and being open to new solutions can lead to innovative way of overcoming obstacles. Seeking support, it's important to reach out for support when facing challenges, whether it's taking to friend, family member, or a professional. Sharing your concern and seeking advice can provide valuable insight and emotional relief. Remember, you don't have to face challenges alone. Learning from setbacks. Challenges often come with valuable lessons. Instead of seeing setback as failure, view them as opportunities to learn and grow. Reflect on the experience, identify what you can learn from it, and apply those lessons to future situations. Developing problem solving skills. Building resilience involves developing effective problem solving skills. Break down the challenge into smaller, manageable tasks. Analyze the situation, explore potential solutions, and take decisive actions. Problem solving is a skill that improves with practice and experience. Self care. Taking care of your physical and mental well being is essential during challenging times. Engage in activities that bring you joy and relaxation. Exercise, meditation, hobbies, and spending time with loved ones can provide a much needed sense of balance and emotional strength. Maintaining perspective. Maintaining perspective is a key when facing challenges. Remember that challenges, no matter how difficult, are often temporary. Keeping a long term perspective can help you negative thought through times, knowing that better days are ahead. Celebrating progress. Celebrate your progress no matter how small it might seem. Every step forward, no matter how tiny, is a victory. Acknowledging your progress boosts confidence and reinforce the belief and you can overcome challenges with resilience and determination. In conclusion, challenges are a natural part of life, but with resilience, a positive mindset can the right support, we can overcome them and embarrass stronger. Building resilience is not just about enduring a hardship; it's about and growing, and thriving in the face of adversity. Thank you thank you for joining me on my English speaking journey today. I hope you found this discussion on overcoming challenges and building resilience empowering and encouraging. Please share your thoughts, experience, or any strategy you use to overcome challenges in the comments below. Let's continue to inspire and support each other on our journey to resilience.